Hello friends! Today we're going to learn how to convert Scratch projects to exe. So firstly open Chrome and go to Scratch. Sign into my account. So now you just have to pick a project to convert to exe. So I'm just going to pause this recording to find a random project to convert. So anyways, here is the project. It's just a project, and so firstly you're going to have to copy this number over here. Copy it and then go to Turbowarp. Then paste what you copied. And after that, now you will see this. Exactly, it's just the same as the project on Scratch. So now you will see inside, go to File and press Package Project. So now you're going to have to scroll down and press Electron Windows Application. So as you could see, you're going to see this, but that's not really relevant to what we're doing. So now you can press preview to see, and you can change some of the settings if you want. Like you can change the cursor. There's a cursor image I had somewhere. Never mind, I'm just going to use a normal cursor. And then show green flag button shows them. So full screen. I'll add full screen, and I'll not add progress bar, and okay, so that's all I'm going to change. Now you can preview it again. There's a maximize button and blah blah blah. So now package, it's going to say downloading Electron compressing projects. Then it's downloaded. I'm just going to press it to open downloads. And then I'm going to extract it. Now you just have to wait for it to finish. Now, as you can see, you're going to see this called CSS. For some reason it doesn't say what it's supposed to say, but whatever. It's the one that has this block thing, but if you added your own icon to it, then it should be that icon, but I was too lazy to download the icon, so I didn't. Now you're just going to open it, and then as you can see, It is exactly the same as the way it was in Scratch. That's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.